And this is Kat from customlaptopsleeve.com, and in this video I want to show you how you can design your own laptop sleeve. So the first thing you do, you go on our website www.customlaptopsleeve.com, and from the main page you click on Start Designing. This will open a custom sleeve builder where you can import and move around images, text, clip art, photos, anything you want. So it usually takes a second to load. Here it is already. The first thing you do is you either choose a background or add a color for the background. So you can choose any color you want. We can print any color, so that's not a problem. Or you can add an image as a background from our image library. The first option, backgrounds, you can select one here. If you have your own background in mind or would like to use something else, you can either upload your photo through this button. You can upload a new image, or you can use royalty-free websites such as pixabay.com or pexels.com. They have a lot of images that can be used for free. So I am going to use this one today, and I'm just going to show you around how the builder actually works. So you see the image appears fully on the laptop sleeve. You can make it bigger or larger depending on the effect you want. So next thing I can show you guys is how to add text. So the first thing you do is you click on Add Text here. You can put anything you want, really. So I'm going to put our website name there. And here, what's very important is that there's actually no customization options on the Add Text. To edit your text, you have to click on Edit Text. So first we add the text layer, and then you click on the text and you go into Edit Text, and here you can choose different fonts. We're actually constantly updating our fonts and also our image library for you to use, so there's going to be new things about every week. So I'm happy with this font, and you can play around with the size here, or also in the Edit Text option there is a font size which you can change. So I'm just going to leave it right here. These buttons, they are to move things either into the foreground or into the background. So right now I have the text selected. If I move it back, it actually moves it behind the background. So you want it to be in the front. And so you can play around with these two settings depending on how many layers you have, how many images, how many clip arts. If you want to add a clip art, we have a library as well of different things. We have crystals, animals. It takes a second to load. So you can use all of these on your own designs as well. You can combine them with all the different images you see. You can also upload your own clip art or transparent PNG files. This works really well if you want to, for example, just add your logo onto the laptop sleeve. You can do that as well. So I'm going to choose just this crystal to show you. You click it once and it's directly there. You can change the size like this. So now I'm happy with my laptop design. You can click on preview to see how it looks like. And if you're happy with the design, you can also download it by clicking this button, and then you can also share it with your friends if you want to. So once you're happy with the design, you click on Continue Purchase. So do you want to continue and create the product? Yes. So this is when the file saves, and I actually already received the file. So I received the files in an editable version, so if there's a small mistake or if there's something up with the alignment, I can fix it before sending it for print. It's important that when you do the design, you leave a bit of space around the border just in case. So here is the product page. You can see this will be the final product. So it's a classical laptop sleeve. You can also use it for your tablet because we have 7 different sizes available. So here, if you're not sure which size you need to take, I've broken down the 7 sizes into maximum device size. So this is not the size of the sleeve, but the size of your laptop and your tablet. So if your laptop and tablet are bigger than whatever the maximum device size is, then you have to size up. So once you've selected your size, a 13-inch, you can click on Add to Cart. and it appears in your shopping cart. Here I actually have already a previous one. I don't want to buy this one. And you can just, if you have anything you want to tell me, you can add it in the special instructions and just check out. I also want to let you know, guys, that we have a 10% off on your first order if you subscribe to our newsletter. You can do that on our website, www.customlaptopsleeve.com. Thank you for watching.